Good day, everyone. Learn how to make our laptop power efficient. If it's power efficient, we can make it more power efficient. So, if you want to save the battery life of your laptop, this tutorial is for you, and we are doing it only in a minute or max 2 minutes. So, this tutorial is for Windows 11 especially. So, we just need to do a right click in the start icon and then we will go to power options. Now the power options, once you click on that, you will find power and battery. Now here you don't have to make any changes, you just need to go with the energy recommendation. You can see I have all the check mark except the dark mode. You can apply that as well if you are comfortable with. However, everything is, absolute spot on as far as my, need is concerned. So it is according to your convenience. You can try that. And just by applying only these things, trust me, the battery power, the time will be enhanced, right? You can make your power mode best power efficiency, or you can keep it balance. It is up to you. you know you can do that. And the moment I did it, now it is only 6 out of 8. So you can try according to yourself and make your laptop more power efficient. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.